It's a very important problem as per the exam point of view. When I put stars means you have to concentrate on such problems. Okay, so again here we are going to deal with the problems which is finding the angle of intersection between the two given curves. So the two given curves are r is equals to a into log theta and r is equals to a upon log theta. So to start, write the given, that is r is equals to a log theta and r is equals to a upon log theta. Taking log on both sides, so this becomes log r is equals to log of a into log theta. Log r as it is log a into b, that is log a plus log b. Okay, so differentiating, do not write this as log square, log of it is, so keep this as it is. Now I'll say differentiating both sides with respect to theta. So d by d theta of log r is equals to d by d theta of log a plus d by d theta of log theta. Derivative of log r is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Derivative of log a with respect to theta is 0 because a is constant, log a is also constant. So derivative is 0. Log u derivative is 1 by u into differentiation of u. Okay, 1 by r into dr by d theta is equals to 1 by log theta as it is. Derivative of log theta is, that is log x, is 1 by x, so that is 1 by theta. Okay, therefore this is cot phi 1 is equals to 1 upon theta into log theta. Am I able to simplify to get purely phi 1? No, we are not able to simplify. We cannot substitute anything and cancel any of the terms and bring it in terms of cot and tan. Am I able to? No. So what we have to do is, I will turn out this cot phi 1 as tan phi 1. I am taking the reciprocal. Reciprocal of cot is tan and reciprocal of 1 upon theta log theta will become theta log theta. Okay, for time being you keep it as it is. Next, for the second curve will start now. Taking log on both sides. So log r is equals to log of a upon log theta. So log r is equals to log a minus, okay, log of log theta. Why? Because this is log a by b. So log a minus log b. Differentiating both sides with respect to theta, derivative of log r with respect to theta is equals to derivative of log a with respect to theta minus derivative of log theta with respect to theta. So derivative of log r with respect to theta is 1 by r into dr by d theta. Log a derivative is going to be 0. Log u derivative, so 1 by u into differentiation of u. So that is 1 by r into dr by d theta is equals to minus 1 by log theta. Derivative of log theta is 1 by theta. So this becomes cot phi 2 is equals to minus 1 by theta into log theta. Are you getting purely phi 2? No. So in that case, take the reciprocal of this. So it is tan of phi 2 is equals to minus theta log theta. Okay. So when we are not getting purely phi 1 and phi 2, you can use alternate way to find for the angle between the two curves, that is phi 1 minus phi 2. If we have to get it, you can take the notation tan of phi 1 minus phi 2 as, we know that tan of a minus b is equals to what? Tan a minus tan b upon 1 plus tan a into tan b. Okay, when this is, when you are not getting phi 1 and phi 2 purely, okay, separately. So substitute what is tan phi 1, substitute what is tan phi 2. So both the ways, here minus of minus it will become plus. Theta log theta plus theta log theta, it will become how much? 2 theta log theta. Plus into minus is minus. Here theta log theta into theta log theta will become theta log theta the whole square. Okay, here it will become addition, here it will become multiplication because plus into minus is minus, sign between them is into. Okay, so theta log theta the whole square. So this is not your final answer. Okay, because I want phi 1 minus phi 2. So to simplify, if you get phi 1 minus phi 2 in terms of theta, okay, if you get the answer in terms of theta, what we have to do is, we have to find the theta value. How to find the theta value is, to find theta value, you always try to equate both the given curves. Now how to equate, or when we are going to equate, okay, we equate when one of the side of both the curves is same. So is one of the sides same of the both the curves? Yes, r equals to and r equals to. So what we'll do is, I will equate this quantity with this quantity. So when I am equating here, I will get a log theta is equals to a upon log theta. This a and this a will get cancelled. Log theta will go over here. So log theta is equals to 1 upon log theta. This will go this side. So log theta the whole square is equals to 1. That is log theta is equals to 1. When this square comes this side, it will become root. So remains here 1. So log theta is 1. Then theta is equals to what? That log when it comes this side. When this log function when it comes this side, it will become e to the power of. So theta is equals to e to the power of 1, means theta is your e. So this theta value we are going to substitute in this equation. That is tan phi 1 minus phi 2 is equals to 2 e into log e upon 1 minus e log e the whole square. Okay. Log e to the base e, whenever no base is mentioned, means it is to the base e, is how much? 1. So log e to the base e is 1. 1 into 2 is 2e. Log e to the base e, it is 1. 1 into e is e square. So shifting this tan this side, tan inverse of 2e upon 1 minus e square is the angle between the two given curves. It is very important to note down this problem. Okay, so as I told you, if your answer is in terms of theta, you need to find the theta value by equating the given curves. And when we are equating, when one side of both the curves is same. So with that help, we are going to find for the theta value and substitute. Thank you.